Here's a quick way to clean your PC. I'm going to go into my recycling bin, and you can see that there's a bunch of files in there. Now, just hit your Windows button to open up a search and type in CMD and hit enter. This will open up command prompt. Now type in clean mgr and hit enter. Now select the drive that you want to clean. In my case, the only one is C. Hit OK. Now you just select whatever you want to clean. So there's downloaded program files. These are, whenever you install a program, you will have an exe file, which is basically the installer that you run through, and then you actually install the program itself. But that exe file, that executable file, will still be sitting there in your downloads. So this gets rid of those. And then there's temporary files. And then there's temporary internet files, Windows error reports, and feedback. These don't really take up much space because they're basically just text files. If you scroll down, you'll see recycling bin among them, so it'll clean that up as well. And then here's all the temporary files and thumbnails as well. So I'm just gonna keep all that selected and hit OK.